Hello everyone, this is Scott and I'm going to show you how you can go live on your PS5 on TikTok. So let's get to the video. So the first thing you're gonna need is a PS5, monitor, and a PC or laptop where you can run your TikTok studio. And the last thing you're gonna need is a capture card. It doesn't matter if it's not Elgato as long as it can function well. So the first thing that you will have to do is that you have to identify the input and output in your capture card. Then you have to plug the PS5 into the input. After that, you have to plug the other HDMI on the output, which goes to your monitor. And then the last thing you have to do is you have to plug your USB onto your capture card, which directly goes to your PC. In my case, I have a USB hub. After all of it's done, you have to plug your HDMI into your monitor. So on your PC, you have to open TikTok Studio. Let it load and go live. And then after that, you will see the TikTok Studio interface. And then the first thing that you have to do is to add sources. Click on that and click on capture card. When you click it, you will see this. So in this case, it is the USB 3 video and you have to change the resolution depending on your preference. Then just add source. And you should be the one to like adjust the display so that it can have a better angle or something. Then one more important thing. After you set up, you have to open settings again. Then you have to set the audio capture as same as the video capture. So yes, you can see the USB 3 digital audio and then apply. And with that, you can capture your capture card's audio so that you can hear your gameplay from the console. And that's pretty much it. You can go live after that. You just click go live and then knock yourself out. Your and that's how you set up your PS5 on your TikTok live. So if you have any questions, just comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.